How to play Blox Fruit with controller. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to play Blox Fruits using a controller. It's a simple and efficient process, so ensure that you follow along. Currently, I'm playing Blox Fruit with a keyboard and a mouse. To incorporate a controller into the game, connect it to your PC through a cable or Bluetooth. Once connected, like I demonstrated with my Xbox 360 controller for Windows, return to the game to start using the controller seamlessly. You'll have full control and can navigate through the Blox Fruits entirely with the controller attached to your computer. As long as the controller is correctly recognized, you can enjoy the game using it. Feel free to utilize the external tools for managing keybinds but connecting the controller through a cable or Bluetooth will enable you to use it effortlessly. I trust that this guide has been beneficial in learning how to play Blox Fruits with a controller. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.